Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring your account and device are ready. Update Pubg Mobile and your phone OS because mismatched versions block verification. Once done, make sure you can receive SMS or email on the linked address. You will need the one-time code. Disable VPNs or proxies so the game sees a consistent device IP. Keep your account login, Facebook or Google link details, and device PIN nearby. These steps prevent interruptions and prepare you for the trust verification flow that follows. Next, you link and verify the account so the game recognizes your device. Sign in with Google or Facebook rather than a guest account. This creates a persistent identity. Once signed in, enable two-factor authentication on the linked service to add trust signals. Grant Pubg necessary permissions like storage and phone access so the app can store device tokens. Make sure the linked email or phone has recent activity. The game may send a verification code you must enter to confirm ownership. Finally, complete verification by logging into the linked account inside Pubg and entering any OTP sent to your recovery contact. After a successful code entry, restart the app to let the server register the device token. If the device still isn't trusted, clear the app cache and try again. If that fails, reinstall Pubg but keep your linked account. If you are flagged or blocked, contact Pubg support with screenshots and proof of ownership. This is the quickest way to resolve trust issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.